Good morning, everybody. Welcome to crescent-reach 16. So today kicks off the mass aircrew briefings. So we're going to lead it off with Colonel Canlis, who's going to start up and just kind of recap some of the exhort highlights. We'll get into the maintenance strike brief, and then we'll get into weather. Weather was beautiful, so that's the good news. And then from there we'll break. We'll get some classified intel slides.
All right, thanks, Todd. Appreciate it. Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing? Good. Awesome. All right, great, awesome. So first of all, I just want to say thanks to all our partners in the room, to 315, 628, everyone who's supporting this exercise, okay? This is what we do, and this is what we do best, right? Okay, so when our nation calls, we answer, right? And that's what's happening with this exercise, okay? The GRF, whenever, is real, okay? The Army is always asking for us to put up more tails, put up more shoes for them, all right? And that appetite is not going away. You saw that with Ultimate Reach. You see that with all the GILWACs that we have going on. We're seeing it now. We're going to see it in a couple of weeks when we do swift response, all right? So these mass formation airdrops are a continual, draw for the Army, and they want to get better at it, and we want to get better at it. So this is important what we're doing over here. There's always something that's going to happen a little bit different, and we could always learn something new. So with that said, we'll go ahead and get started with the briefings. Thanks again for being here.
Sequence number 5 is 7187. That aircraft is showing NM12. If we're able to push that second one out of there, sir.
All right.
And then we've got your following two that are off station, 5107 and 7186. This whole plan is contingent on those two aircraft returning from off station in a timely manner. Slide, please. And again, carbon copy, no issues. All your equipment is good, sir.
Colonel Kern will make that call as the Air Mark Charlie.
Yes, sir.
I'm in force, so.
Yes, sir. All right.
Thanks, Captain Cox.
Now conditions look real favorable over the next 5 days. We're under high pressure, so not like maintainers out on the flight line, crews step into the jets. Keep in mind we're going to be approaching the 90-degree mark by midweek, so that's something to consider. This today, Friday's down here on the bottom right, and the red down on the bottom left is Thursday. With the exception of some showers that are forecast over the Smokies and along the coast, nothing to affect the local AO for where we're headed. Upper level turbulence, low level turbulence, upper level icing, nothing over the area here. And however, next slide. So up at the AO.
All right, thank you, Master Sergeant Brett. All right, so our intent at this time is to break. We're all going to depart from this room. We're going to come back in, everybody getting checked on the EAL, making sure the clearances are good.